I'm Inti.
And I'm Matthew.
And we are reading 101 Ways to Bug Your Teacher. And in today's video, what happened was, so since Sneeze
pulled off an act
in class about doing the hula and like sharpening his pencil, so it was so loud that he had to do the death roll. Then he got in trouble for it. Then he went to the principal's office, but they weren't there. They weren't at the principal's office. So the principal or the vice principal weren't there. So
the vice principal was doing something
and the principal was not there.
Doing something else. What?
So
he just went back to class.
Yeah. No, he didn't go back to class.
Oh yeah. He went to the nurse's office.
He went to
check on Hiccup, but he wasn't there.
So the
nurse told him a story.
And then that's where we are. So
no, we're past that.
We're kind of past that. Then he went
it was
onto the
sixth
bus.
period. Then he waited in the bathroom for legit 2 periods,
which are each like
an hour long,
hour, something like that. No, hour 30 minutes, something like that. So then he went onto the bus. He went to the bus, and Goldie.
Everyone was trying to confront him for what he was doing. Mainly just cheering for what he was doing.
Yeah, first everyone was cheering because of his hula, and then they were trying to figure out what he was doing with it. So what was it saying?
Goldie wanted to figure out what's his name, Sneeze, was doing. So she legit looked through his backpack, which no one should ever do.
And she found the list, and she was like, "Are you making a book about 101 ways to bug your teacher?" And he was like, "What?
No, of course."
And then there was like this paper of of the Jefferson Times magazine. And Goldie was like, "Oh, I know what you're doing. You're trying to submit the 101 ways to bug your teacher list." Sorry, on the Jefferson Times magazine.
But that's also not what I'm doing.
And he was like, "Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that."
But he actually wasn't. I changed my mind now. Guess that's basically it.
That's it.
Yeah. Bye.